friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today I'm just going to go over a few of the Christmas items that I have put tutorials out on. And this one was my little elf on the shelf doll, and she was just made of felt and a little doll that I had found at the Dollarama store. Since then I made this one, and I just used some fleece that I had, and you can use anything that you want to make them, dress them up however that you like. And it is the season for these little people to appear for your children, and aren't they cute? I then made this little Santa Claus gnome, and he is absolutely the sweetest. I have had many likes on this one, which I appreciate very much. And he is made out of velveteen, but you know, friends, I bought a velveteen dress at a thrift store, and that is the material that I used to make this cute little guy. Another cute little tutorial that I did was my Mrs. Claus shelf sitter or tree stuffer. I've had mine sitting in my Christmas tree, and once again, they are really cute and easy enough to make. And all of my tutorials I'm going to list in my description box below, so they're handy for you to go and have a look at. Then I did my snowman out of the toilet paper rolls and yarn, a little hat, a little decoration, something easy to do with your kids or your grandkids. I also made the little hats out of yarn, and that actually is what I used on my little snowman for their hats. And then I did my candy cane wreath door hanger, which was very easy to make too, and it was just from a Dollar Tree candy cane form and some tinsel, a little ribbon, and a little decoration. So I want to thank you all for watching me and helping me to grow my channel, and please like and share and subscribe if you haven't already with your friends, and always remember to be kind. Thanks for watching. Bye now.